Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Frameo application on your device. So Frameo application is going to help you send the photos and manage your digital frame very easily. So first of all, you need to download and open the Frameo application on your phone. When you open it for the very first time, you need to allow the permissions like photos and notifications. So when you are inside your Frameo application, you will see this type of gallery icon, which is going to basically show all of the photos which are available in your gallery. You can also tap on this camera icon and then you can capture the photos which you can then add to your Frameo digital frame. Now here tap on this add friend icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now in order to add your frame, you need to enter the QR code which you need to generate inside your Frameo digital frame. When you enter that particular code over here and then when you press OK, you are going to basically connect your phone to your frame. Now once that thing is done, you just have to simply select the photos from your gallery, then tap on the option of send icon and choose your frame. Your photo will then appear on the frame within just a few seconds. Now when you have selected the photos, you can also add the captions to your photo. For that, you just have to choose the fill frame or fit to frame in order to control how the image is going to look. Inside the app, you can also manage the connected frames, like you can remove the connections and you can also send the photos anytime. You can tap on this hamburger icon here on the top left hand corner of the screen in order to see all of your connected frames, plus in order to see a history of photos which you have basically uploaded in it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.